How to fix missing enter key on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating, open up WhatsApp on a device. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then go to settings. Now simply tap on chats. Now on the chat settings page, under chat settings, simply disable the toggle for enter is sent. Now once you disable it, simply go back. Now open up your chat. Now type the message. Now when you tap on enter, it will move to the next line. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.